Hello, we're going to do some filter maintenance on our Aprilaire dehumidifier. This is a model E070. This is a model that can be used tied into your ductwork. It can be used in basements, standalone, or under crawl spaces. This is an excellent quality unit. I would consider it, even though I use it for residential, it seems to have the qualities of a commercial built unit, very heavy duty. But without any further ado, let us remove the filter. We simply need a straight bladed screwdriver and remove one screw on the top here. The door, it's very nice manufacture, high quality metal. I think it's powder coated. It has washers on the screws so nothing falls apart and gets lost. It has a styrofoam cushion that holds the filter still while it's in operation. The filter, it just slides right out. It's an easy clean filter. These have been made for quite a while in the United States. These are very nice filters because they're reusable. You can simply take this with warm soap and water, clean it up, rinse it, dry it, and put it back in. When you're done, you simply slide it back, and there you go. Another little feature I noticed just while I had the door off, it looks like the threads that the screw goes into, this anchor's been made out of brass or bronze. Always thinking about quality here, not cheap plastic or just threaded into metal itself. Another reason why I think selecting an Aprilaire dehumidifier is the best solution. Thank you for watching.